I'm so excited though, man. Like, I can't even tell y'all, man. I'm just so blessed right now. I can't even I can't even describe it. The sun is killing me.
Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks. Knew that ass was real when I hit it, bounce back. You ain't getting checks.
YouTube, what is good, fam? Yo, I know y'all see the title. I know y'all lit. I know y'all lit right now. I can't show y'all yet because I don't have it yet. So, I mean, if you look at the title and you looking for it already when you just got here, you're not gonna see it, fam. Like, you gotta wait a minute. You gotta wait till I go pick this joint up, because I know you see the title and I know you just as lit as me, because I'm lit right now, man. So I'm about to go and handle all the business, and then I'm gonna let you guys know when I get it, man. So yo, let's go get this whip, bruh.
OG Parker. Pop a perky just to start up. Pop it. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash. Drip. Drip. Woo. Splash. Hey. Slippery. Whoa. Excuse me. Please me. Please. I'm up. Believe me. Believe me. Believe me. Get beat. Cause I'm flexing Rarries. You can bet on me. Hey, hey, hey. Tater tot. Fuck niggas on my radar watch. Watch him crack a die, hunter, turn them to some gator shots. Iced out watch. Ice. Round 10 o'clock. Ride round, get the down. Think it's 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I'm gon' pop. If I don't, I'm back to the pots. I got rocks. Big bells, big arms. Tummy gun. Come out and play, let's have fun. Big scales, fish scale, big weight.
YouTube, so y'all see my new whip, yo. This thing is fresh, bro. Like, I can't give you guys like a full-on tour, like with like, you know, words and all that right now, because unfortunately I'm running late to work. So I will give you the tour, like, I'll give you the tour tomorrow maybe. I have work tomorrow morning, so after tomorrow morning, after I go out, go to work and all that, I'll give you guys a tour. I told my boss I'd be at work at 5:15 because I was running late. It's 5:12 and I haven't even gotten on the highway yet, and it takes me about 10 minutes once I get on the highway. So he is probably gonna hate me. I might be fired, so I'll give you guys a live update on that. If I get fired today, I'll become a full-time YouTuber because I gotta pay for my car. So I mean, full-time YouTuber might be on the horizon, guys, because you never know, especially with, you know, me being like almost a half an hour late probably. Nah, I probably won't be. I'm in the middle of the city right now, so it's slowing me down. But once I get on the highway, open it up. Woo, about to open this new whip up. Just kidding, guys. Don't speed. It's really bad for you. I'm so excited though, man. Like, I can't even tell y'all, man. I'm just so blessed right now. I can't even I can't even describe it. The sun is killing me. But I'll be back at you guys after work and we'll talk more about this. Maybe, I don't want to give you guys a tour at night, so never mind. I was going to say maybe I'll do it tonight, but nah, I don't want to give you guys a tour at night. I'm out. I'll be back. Man, I just got home from work, guys. I didn't get fired. I did not get fired. I'm probably just going to chill now, though, because I got work in the morning, and I'm probably going to go to my uncle's house tomorrow after work, so I got to get rest. I got a lot to do tomorrow. So I need to, I don't know, I'm not going to go to bed yet, though, because I got to work on this vlog. And I still got some gaming stuff I want to work on. So I ain't gonna go to bed yet, but I'll be back with another vlog, man. But yo, just know I'm on cloud 9, fam. I'm so excited. Y'all don't even know, man. Y'all don't understand this feeling, yo. If you understand this feeling, make sure you leave this video a like, fam, because this is one of the greatest feelings you'll ever experience in your life. So if you can relate right now, let me know. Even if you can't relate, I hope one day you can relate, because it's amazing. Like, it's nuts. All right, I decided what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna double upload on vlogs tomorrow. I'm not gonna put a video up right now at 3 a.m. because I gotta be up at 9. So I'm not gonna wait for this to finish rendering unless I'm still up when it's done rendering. I'm gonna put it up at 9, and then I'm gonna put the same day another vlog. So I'm really terrible, but I'll just double upload. You know, I don't think you guys will care if I double upload. I need to go to sleep though, man. I got work. and I gotta go handle some business early in the morning. Cause I got the new whip. I gotta take care of her, make sure everything all set, and make sure life is good. But yeah, man, look at how bare my walls look. All I have is a stupid quote up here. You guys, I need some decoration ideas, man. Should I put some gaming posters up? Maybe put something in a frame and put it up. Some crosses, something. I need new curtains. I need to get my life together. All I got is this thing. That's all I got. I don't know. We'll figure it out, guys. But I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoy my new car. I hope you guys thought it was cool. I'll give you a formal like tour in and out with words this time. Tomorrow, hopefully, if I remember. But yeah, man. I'm going to bed. It's been real.
Look what you got.